Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi Robot. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Xiaomi Robot is only lasting about 10 minutes before needing a recharge, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to battery wear over time, which can lead to the device struggling to hold a charge. If not addressed promptly, you may find your robot becoming less and less efficient, eventually rendering it unusable for its intended cleaning tasks. To tackle this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery compatible with your Xiaomi Robot. First, ensure your robot is turned off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing, starting from a corner and gently working your way around to avoid damaging any clips. Once you have access to the internals, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component secured with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the battery in place. Be cautious with the force you apply, as you do not want to strip the screws. After the screws are removed, gently disconnect the battery by pulling the connector straight out, ensuring you don't tug on any nearby cables. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Take your new battery and connect it to the same port, making sure it clicks into place. Once secured, replace the screws to hold the battery in position. Before closing the casing, double-check that everything is connected properly and that no wires are pinched. Carefully press the casing back together, ensuring all clips are securely locked in. Finally, power on your Xiaomi Robot to verify that it is functioning correctly and that the battery is holding charge. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the robot's charging contacts and avoid leaving it plugged in for extended periods when fully charged. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.